Video 29, Cleanliness, Part 2. As discussed in our previous video, defects are categorized into two different groups, scratches and defects. We will discuss defects and how we can fix them. Defects include all detectable non-linear features that can typically be cleaned. There are mainly three stages where fiber optic connector cleaning would be required. The first is during manufacturing in a cable assembly plant. The second is during installation, and the third is whilst testing. Cleanliness of the connector is essential to ensure correct operation and good quality of an optical signal. Unless you inspect 100% of your connections, you take the risk of reduced signal strength and therefore reduction in data transfer capacity should any defects be present. There are typically two ways to remove dust, commonly referred to as dry and wet methods. As the requirement for suitable cleaning products has increased, so has the number of cleaning items now available to achieve specific applications. We will discuss the dry method in this video. Some of the items that are commonly used to dry clean defects are a Neoclean N optical connector cleaner. This is a high-performance connector cassette cleaner. It is efficient and very easy to handle, delivers consistently high-quality cleaning performance, and is lightweight and safe to use. Then you have the SCLC OneClick Cleaner. This OneClick Cleaner removes dust and oil adhering to the ferrule end face of fiber optic connectors with a one-push mechanical action. It allows for over 750 engagements per unit. The OneClick cleaners are dry cloth cleaners specially designed to clean single fiber connectors residing in an adapter, faceplate, or bulkhead. There's also 2.5mm and 1.25mm cleaning swabs. These cleaning swabs allow for easy to clean ferrule end faces inside the plug-in fiber optic connectors and various adapters. They are lightweight and safe to use while still being compact and disposable. There are no adhesives, binders, or fibers to leave any residues. There is a golden rule in fiber optic cleaning. It is inspect, clean, and inspect again.